Hello everyone, my name is Josh Neckrop. I'm with FX1 Realty, and let's get you into 78 Bedard for this virtual open house. Just zip along here and get you inside. What you're going to see here is a spacious, open bungalow with vaulted ceilings. Those laminate floors that you're seeing there were installed quite recently. You can see a nice open space with dining room and living room. Just pan around here and give you a chance to have a look. You can see the attached garage in the hallway. We're gonna get to that in just a moment. And let's just carry on and zip over into the kitchen here. We'll just skip ahead here. You can see the kitchen is a nice, crisp, clean, turnkey, ready to go kitchen. Very functional. It's got an island with the incorporated breakfast bar. You can see the kitchen appliances, the dishwasher, stove, fridge are all included. There's a corner pantry you can see there. Very functional, very crisp and clean kitchen, ready to go for you. Now we're just going to head back into the living room, dining room area, give you another look from a different angle of that. Just pop over there. As I said, it's very turnkey, ready to go. There's really nothing that has to be done right now. It's a nice dining room area with a little bump out for china hutch or whatever furniture you'd like to place in there. And now let's just pop down the hallway. See the rest of the living space. Take our first turn here and we're going to stop by the main bath rather. You can see again, clean, ready to go. And then we'll head down towards the master bedroom. Again, the vaulted ceilings just really give you a sense of space. Lots of room in this master bedroom. Plenty of room for your furniture. They've actually got a little desk in the room because it's got that kind of space. You can do that. And we'll take a look at a nice feature here is the walk-in closet, because nobody ever says I have too little closet space. And ensuite master bath. And 4-piece bath. Let's just zip forward here. You've got your second and third bedrooms we'll take a peek at. Again, turnkey, ready to go. Very simple. Just move in and start putting your stuff up. Good closets even in the second and third bedrooms. Let's just zip forward here. You can see the garage to the side, we'll get back to that. Let's just pop downstairs. And this is where the place really shines. You can see just a big basement. Tons and tons of space here. It's all clean and crisp. Ready to go. There's laundry over there. We're going to get back to that in just a moment. I just want you to take in this big basement. I mean, that's a huge L-shaped couch that they've got. And there's still tons of space left over. Of course, we've also got a 3-piece full bath downstairs. Just want to point something out that box in the corner is a sauna. The vendors are willing to leave that behind for buyers if they want it included. Or if they don't, we can arrange to have it taken out. And there's one additional room downstairs that's sort of a bedroom, but just be cautious that window does not meet current egress regulations. So there are some limitations on what you can do with that room, but in here we've got the laundry. Again, big space, lots of extra storage. And let's pop back upstairs. And of course we've got an attached double garage. A nice feature. Just an absolutely beautiful home in Royalwood. Turnkey and ready to go. Let's just pop outside and Here we've got a good backyard, nice deck, partially enclosed for privacy there with the lattice. Lots of space in the backyard. Look at that. Lots and lots of space, fully fenced. So if you've got kids or pets, it's ready to go. And that's the home. I hope you've enjoyed it. 78bedard.com.